Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today I am going to show you how to add a brand new page in Lucidchart. Now, if you are someone who works with diagram and flowchart regularly, knowing how to organize your workspace with multiple pages can save a lot of time. So let's quickly jump in and see how it's done. So go to any browser and search for Lucidchart. And here you will find the Lucidchart. So just click on this to get into it. So this is the interface of Lucidchart, but if you are not logged in, then your interface will not be like this. So if you don't have any account in Lucidchart, then go and just create a new account. It's totally free and it will take over 2 or 3 minutes. So once you are done and you have logged in your account, you will see there is a option for new. If you click on this, you can create a new chart, or if you want, then you can use the template, and if you want, then you can start from a blank page or blank board, which is basically creating a chart from the scratch. So I have these three, so I'm going to open this one. Now I have already opened this. So this is the chart I have done before. So this is the page in the Lucidchart. Now I want to add a new page. Okay, so how you can do that? So in the left panel, you can see all the tools for the shapes, the container, the themes, the board, and the enhancement tools, like all of these things. And on the upper side, you can see there is view, select, edit, and this kind of menu tool. And now we are here to create a new page, right? So in this bottom left panel, you can see there is a counting for your page. This is saying page 1. Basically, I have one page, I mean single page, so it's showing only one. So you can see there is a little plus icon and it's saying the add page. Now let's simply click on this. And here it is. It has created a new page in our Lucidchart. Now we have two pages. This was the page 1 and we have earlier created page 2. So basically this is how you can create a new page by clicking simply on this plus icon. And if you want, then you can create a lot of pages here. So this was the video. I hope now you understand how you can create a new page in Lucidchart. It's super simple, but it makes your project way more organized. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.